Hi everyone, today we will be making Modak. These are sweet dumplings made during the Ganpati festival. For this I have used golden Oreo cookies. I have ground them up in a grinder. We will need some pie crust cups. I have used the simple paper ones. To make the pie I am going to need some xanthan gum and butter. For the filling we need corn flour, white and dark chocolate chips, powdered sugar, shredded coconut and coconut milk. Let's make the crust. In the ground up cookies, we will add butter. I used 10 Oreos and 2 tablespoons of butter. I will also add half teaspoon of xanthan gum. Let's mix and mash this together. Xanthan gums will give us the binding of the crust. So it's good to use for the pie. You can use your hands to do this and make a dough. We will then put this dough in the fridge to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. After the dough is chilled, you can take it out and let's start kneading it so that all the chunks of butter have mixed well. You can then start to flatten it out. I will sprinkle some dry flour and roll the dough out. Separate it slowly and then place on your pie crust cups. Slowly trim or peel the edges of the dough so that it takes the shape of the cup. I will poke some holes in it. Now this is ready to be baked. This is a homemade oven. In a dip pan, I have placed a metal ring and this round baking tray on top. I preheated it on medium heat for 10 minutes. We will place the pie crust on this, cover it up. This is going to bake on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. Let's check the pie. Looks done, so let's remove it. We will now begin making the filling for the pie. On medium heat, in a saucepan, melt some butter. Add the shredded coconut, about 1 tablespoon, and we need 4 tablespoons of coconut milk because we are going to make a coconut filling. Let's mix this. I took half tablespoon of corn flour and mix it in water. Then I pour this mix into the pan. Then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add this per your taste. Let's mix it all and cook it well till it starts to get thick and forms a filling consistency. Once done, we will set this aside to cool. Now we will make the modak filling. I will first add the medium heat 3 tablespoons of jaggery and 3 tablespoons of coconut. You can use fresh coconut, but I have used the dry kind. Let's mix this and you will start to see the jaggery melt. I will add 1 tablespoon of ghee, a sprinkle of cardamom, and I am going to shed some nutmeg for flavor. At the end, I will add some ground up cashew, almond and pistachio. Then set it aside to cool. Let's make the modak covering. In the saucepan, place a 1.5 cups water, a sprinkle of salt, 1 teaspoon ghee, just a little bit of milk. This will make a modak white. Then I will add half cup of rice flour and cover this up about 10 minutes later. You will see these clumps. You can place them in a bowl after it has cooled. We will then start to knead it like a dough. I added some ghee to it and made it a smooth dough. Let's start to put together the modak. Take a small portion and flatten it out with your hands. I will then add the filling we made, and for this one I will place white chocolate chips. Go ahead and start to close the modak like I am doing. You can use a spoon to give it a dumpling-like shape. Now this is ready. Here I will show you again another one, but this time with a dark chocolate. Once cooked, this will pour out like a lava chocolate. You can call this a lava modak as well. Now this is the last authentic modak. In this one, I am only going to add the traditional filling we made. Use a steamer to cook the modak. Place them all in and we will steam them for 10 minutes. These are now all cooked and ready. Let's put the pie together. On the crust that we made, go ahead and spread the coconut filling. You can then place the modak on top and then garnish with any chocolate chips that you want. I am garnishing with the white chocolate chips because I feel that it's a small modaks and it looked nice. And here we go. This is now ready. I am going to slice into it to show you the hot lava chocolate in it. The chocolate and coconut and pie combination will taste amazing. I hope you like this recipe. Enjoy making your modaks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.